Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to address some recent issues and updates concerning Monopoly Go, particularly relating to the rolling system and account lockouts. So many players have reported changes in the rolling system. So to investigate, I tested the game using the airplane mode and VPN as discussed in the previous videos. So in my tests, all rolls matched correctly with the 100x multiplier, indicating that for now the rolling system seems unchanged. There has been concerns about account lockouts after using certain methods to enhance the gameplay. So in order to test this, I repeatedly logged in and logged out of the game, but I did not encounter any error codes or warnings about using airplane mode. So it is clear why some players are facing lockouts while others are not. Factors such as play frequency and player ranking might play a role, but further investigation is needed. So in a nutshell, the rolling system appears stable and I haven't encountered any lockout issues personally. However, experiences may vary based on game updates and individual circumstances. I look forward to bringing you more content soon. So if you have any question or want to share your experiences with Monopoly Go, please leave a comment below. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.